Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was offline from YouTube from long time because of college, and I was also hunting on a vulnerability disclosure program around 1 month. So today I will be like reopening and reinitiating the process of YouTube. So today our topic is all on dark web. Today I will show you how you can access the dark web. Dark web is the most greatest, widest, biggest, or you can say like the area that covers more than 90% of the internet. So today we will see today we will see some onion links. So let me I'm noting down the points that I'm writing on the text editor, so you can keep a note of the points. So on dark web, .com, .in, .org, and such links not work. So on dark web, you will access it with .onion links, right? And to access the dark web or the deep web, you can visit the sites there. Like the sites have address rashahacks.com or rashahacks.in. On dark web, these sites have a random long address, like 16 characters address or 32 characters address, and after the address there is .onion, and that is the characteristic that dark web links have, right? To access the dark web, there is one software that we have to install on our system. This software you can install on Mac OS, Linux, or Windows, on any operating system. So we have to install Tor, right? So let's see the installation process first, and then after the installation, I will show you the dark web. So I'm opening an incognito tab. Yep. So just search on. Okay, I'm sorry. Just some random site. Just search on Google Tor, and then you can just click on this Tor project, or you can click here on the download button. So after you click on the download button, this link will open, torproject.org/download. And then you have these operating systems: Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Windows. So whatever your operating system you have, just click on the download button and then install the binary. So I'm clicking on download for Windows because right now I'm on Windows. Just install the software, and then after installing it, we have to run the software. Let me before like moving on, let me explain about like how the Tor browser works. So when we visit Tor sites, when we visit a normal site, so when we visit a normal site, right? When we visit a normal site, whatever we search a request, right? A request, whatever we request, it directly goes to server. Okay, it directly goes to the uh, domain server, you can say, right? But in case of these onion sites, or you can say Tor sites, or the dark web sites, right? Your request that you will request to the website, that will go to a node. The node is like a proxy between you and the server. Okay, so it's like a VPN. But after this, there is another node, and then there is like another node, and then there are three nodes, and then after this, you have the domain server. So the Tor is used for anonymous connections. Okay, so it is like an anonymity browser to maintain your privacy. So if you want to visit some site on Tor, it's a browser. So you can visit on Tor. You can visit .com, .in, .org, anything. Okay, but even .onion. On normal browsers, you cannot visit .onion. So on Brave you can, but on Tor you can visit all these sites. So but on normal browser your traffic will go directly to the server, but on Tor it goes to so many nodes, 3 nodes, and then to the server. So it maintains your privacy. So you become completely anonymous, right? So I think Tor is installed. So that's how Tor works. So your traffic will go to node, first node, second node, third node, and then to the domain server. So the thing is that Tor is used for anonymous connections, and that's why we will visit the dark web using Tor, because we need to first hide ourselves. We need to first maintain our privacy, and then we will visit those dark sites, those the creepy stuff on the internet. So yeah, Tor browser is installed. Just click on the executable, the installer executable. Just wait a second. Yep. So the installer looks like this. Let me just minimize. The installer looks like this. Select your language from here. Click on OK. You have to give the destination folder. I will keep it to the default. Click on install. So I have already installed. Tor is already installed on my system, but I will reinstall it. Okay, so I will just click on continue, yes, and then it will install everything automatically. So you don't have to do anything. Don't have to install dependencies or anything from yourself. The installer will do it everything. Okay, so let's just wait for few minutes. It's a very lightweight process. It takes around 30-40 seconds. So yeah, it's done. So after it's done, you can run the Tor browser directly, or so I will not run it right now. I just want to show you the icon. So that's how the icon looks like. Right. That's how. Let me change the background so that it is clearly visible. Yes. So this is how the icon looks like. Start Tor browser. So to start the Tor, like to Tor browser, you just have to double click on it like the normal browser, Chrome or Firefox. Okay. So now it will establish a connection. So it is Tor browser routes your traffic over the Tor network. So it will, like those nodes, those nodes are in that Tor network. So it will route your traffic to the Tor network, and then after this you can visit the sites, right? So now if I visit google.com, like I said, like you can visit any kind of site here, but also .onion links, right? So currently I'm visiting google.com. It will take some time because your traffic is going from first node, second node, third node, and then to google.com. So it's not like a 1 second process or a half a second process. It will take time, right? One more thing before continuing to google.com or before continuing to the dark web, because right now we are on surface web, but before continuing onto the dark web, please maintain your security level. Just click here and click on this button, right? This shield button, and then click on advanced security settings. And then if it's on standard, then just you have on with JavaScript, the uh, sites can take so much data. Like they can they can uh, execute some malicious activities or some malicious codes on your browser. So it's good to disable JavaScript. So just click on safer or safest instead of standard. So i I prefer safest, but some sites need JavaScript to run, so that's why we will run it on safer. But I will you make sure that you are on the safest level. And if you're visiting some more creepier site, then please put, put this to safest, right? So back to google.com. So yeah, google.com is here, and then if we click on this lock button, which on normal browser, which shows like it's https or http, it also shows here the tor circuit, which shows that this is a browser, and the traffic is first going through this guard, which is in Bosnia, and then to France, and then to Germany, and then to google.com. And then google.com is responding to a request first to Germany, then to France, then to Bosnia, and then to a browser. So that's how this whole connection is working in Tor. So that this is how we are anonymous here, right? This is how we are maintaining our privacy on Tor. It's not completely anonymous, but yeah, it's like anonymous. The more you can say, it's more private or more privacy. It's more privacy in terms of if we compare it with VPN, then Tor is more secure, right? So now what we can do, like I have a list of some Tor sites, but what we will do today is that I will show you like how you can find those hidden sites just from surface web. So we will go to google.com, and I will just search here dark web sites links 2021. So let's search for some site links today for 2021. Okay, so 160 plus dark web sites to visit. Let's click this one, and dark websites link directory. Okay, not so many sites. So you can, like, make your search broader, search random terms. Okay, so this site has opened, and yes, so hidden wiki is a very good source to find other sites. So I think they will so on this is surface web, right? You have .net. This is not dark web currently. Okay, so if you want to visit the dark web, this is dark web .onion link. So now we can just click here, open link in new tab, and then this is the hidden wiki site, uh, where we have directories of other sites, the links to other sites, and it have links to like so many sites we can visit from here. There are so other sites that you can also visit from here. The hidden wallet. Okay, the onion addresses are provided there. It's Facebook, Proton Mail, Megator, like so many sites are there. It's Torch. It's a dark web search engine like Google or Bing or DuckDuckGo. Torch is a dark web search engine, but it's not possible to like no, it's not almost completely possible to index the whole dark web. So uh, I don't know the working behind this, but yeah, there are search engines on dark web as well. So Torch is one of them. So there are so many sites that you can visit. Today I will show you the one basic site, and it's the most important site when we go on to like in the beginning. So these are some financial services that you can see. I don't want to go there, but yeah, I will show some sites. So let's try to visit some sites. Maybe some sites are down. They could be down. So let's see this darknet hacking services. I don't know what will open. I'm not responsible for this. Whatever will open, I'm showing in front of you. Let's open some more sites. It takes some time to open these onion sites because these are already on a onion, like a more slower server, right? So if you want more anonymous email providers, you can use these. There are social networks here: Talkbook, Facebook, Twitter, similar to Twitter. Okay. And right, there are forums. So 8chan, N-chan, and these are whistleblowing like WikiLeaks. It's a too much independent site like AfriLeaks, The Guardian. There are also file uploaders, books, videos, movies, and TVs. Drugs. Okay, let's see some drugs. Okay. Like on dark web, it's not surface web. It's uh, everything is here, right? So let's try for some books as well. Okay, so there's this site open. Ghost Smoke. There are services. Okay, so it's their Telegram. It's their Wicker. I don't know what is Wicker. So they are providing websites over hacking, smartphone attack, SQL injection, and database cloning, data scraping, and dark web scanning. Okay, so yeah, a very good website design. Yup, we can go to services and let's see. Okay, same services. That's more explanation. Okay, spyware injection, social media attack, background check, employee monitoring, DDoS attack, partner investigation, network attack. Okay, so these are the onion sites. You can just go there. I don't know it will work or not. These are fake or right. It's completely on dark web. Everything is anonymous. Even their site is anonymous. So you have to take precaution before purchasing something. I don't encourage you to purchase from dark web. It's completely too, like I'm just showing you the dark web, the 90% of the internet. So these sites are taking some time to load. Let's try some other sites. Let's try these some drug sites. Okay, some you know the the non-commercial stuff is also there. Okay, uh some uncategorized stuff. So yeah, these are and from there, from these hacking forums, you can talk to people, and then you can get uh you can chat with them, and then you can find other, like other sites. Go to group chats and find some more sites. There are hosting platforms. If you want to upload your image or photos for free, you don't have to register or do something. You can just like directly, it's like anon files or like those sites. Let's try this radio service. Okay, so it's some drugs site randomly open. I don't know. And 30 hits LSD, 150 microgram, $95. So yeah, $750, 10-gram DMT freebase. I don't know what what are these drugs, but yeah. So this is dark web where so it's not only for these uh like unethical or the darky or creepier stuff. There are research papers, there are scientists, there are hackers who are also here, who are leaking databases. There are ransomware sites, you know, and there are so much that is available in dark web. You just have to explore it. You can just go to this ransomware group site. It's a very good site. It have uh, so many uh, links that are like from other ransomware groups, and you can see their leaks, their data leaks, and then you can also, if possible, if they have uploaded the ransomware, the source code or something, you can also see that. So you can just go there and then visit these sites, right? And this is dark web, right? uh, I think we are getting out of time. It's almost 20 minutes, I think. So we should stop for now. You can find more sites from here. Just check these forums, boards, stands, and on surface net you can find more sites from here. Okay, there are other sites. You can just go to 8th tab or 9th tab and then find more sites, right? So that's all for today. Okay, yep. Thank you so much.